Hey everybody, it's Tim at the Horsepower Barn, and this week and probably the next couple of weeks we got a new project in the shop. It's a 69 Chevy C10 pickup truck, long bed. So we'll flip around here and show you. She came out of a farm up in Virginia, belongs to a buddy of mine, and he asked me to help him do some work on it. So down at the bottom, you can see somebody put some custom rocker panel covers on. So that's basically what we're looking at doing is, hopefully there's enough light there, but you can see how the rockers are getting a little holy. So we're gonna do those rocker panels. I know there's some tin pieces underneath the floorboard that we're gonna replace. Up underneath, the cab braces are shot. So basically we're going to do inner, outer rockers, and then the cab braces, which are these pieces here. And then also we have the cab corners. So typical C10 rust repair. It's got a little spot down on the door there. I don't know if we're going to tackle that. But up in this corner here, you can definitely see that cab corner is pretty much gone there. So yeah, my buddy's coming over. He wants to have his grandkids help him out, and kind of keep this industry and hot rodding and stuff going down to, well, actually it'll be the second, third generation for him if it's going to be his grandkids. So yeah, it should be a good time. So follow along and we'll update soon.